Hello guys, nice to see you again. I'm back to London. I'm at Regent's Canal now. I got my kayak, got my spinning rod, and I got my deeper fish finder. I'm at Maida Vale tunnel now. I will go from here to Camden Town. Okay, I'll just get the deeper out and see what it shows. The water temperature 16.6 degrees. It's quite nice. The bottom looks weedy. 1.9 meters deep. Alright, I'll just get my rod out. I got a weedless green lure. Let's see if I can get any fish. Just going through the first tunnel under the road. Looking nice. It's amazing how in the olden days they built these ones in just the bricks. I like the echo of the tunnel. Oh, I think I got caught on something. I think it's loose now. Okay, not catching any fish. guys, that was nice. No fish today, but I enjoyed kayaking Regent's Canal anyway. I'll get out of my kayak and go for a walk around Camden Market and maybe get some fish and chips. I hope you liked the video, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers guys!